Lexy Rodriguez. I'm a 16-year-old Filipina YouTuber. Since I've been getting a ton of requests for me to do my school makeup routine, which doesn't really exist because I don't really put that much makeup when I go to school, I still decided to do a very affordable, easy, no makeup look or like natural look for you guys when you guys want to look a little bit more extra when going to school. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm starting off with a clean, fresh, moisturized face, and if you guys are wondering, the moisturizer that I use every single day is this one from Dove. It's the Intensive Cream. So there are a lot of perks and benefits when you moisturize your face, and this is also a must for me because lately this part of my face has been so dry. But anyways, we also have to moisturize our lips. As for my lips, the lip balm that I use is from Maybelline. It's the Baby Lips Candy Wow in Peach, so it doesn't really have tint. So I'm just gonna be applying good amount of lip balm to make sure that my lips wouldn't stay dry and chapped all throughout the day. Now we can move on to our base, and what I'll be using is the Belo Sun Expert Tinted Sunscreen with SPF 50. So since we're in school and we'll be out the whole day, our skin will be exposed to sun, so having SPF is really important. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'll just be applying it here at the back of my hand. Just putting a good amount, and then with my fingers, I'm gonna be spreading that all over my face. And honestly, I don't use this when I go to school just because I don't like applying that much product because I honestly don't have that much time. As you guys can see, I still have a bunch of product left in my hand, but I'll just be blending this using a sponge. I feel like I put way too much product, oh my gosh. Okay, so you just want to keep blending. Now that we're done with the base, I'm actually going to be skipping concealer, but you guys have an option to use concealer if you guys desire to. And if you guys need some recommendation, the one I recommend is Fit Me by Maybelline because it's very natural, very affordable, easy to blend. I'm gonna be skipping this because I feel like I already like how the base turned out onto my face. But since I do look a little pale, now let's move on to our cheeks and lips. I'll be using the Vice Cosmetics Water Gel Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade chozzz. So I'm just gonna be dotting some onto my cheeks. And then I'm just going to be blending this out with my fingers. At first, it looks very pigmented, but it's going to be a little bit more subtle like after a few seconds, and it's very easy to blend. I love this lip and cheek tint by Vice Cosmetics because it looks very natural on your face. It's what I've been using lately. So, of course, we don't want to forget our other cheek, so we're just going to be doing the same thing onto the other side and just blending this with my fingers in a circular motion. Now that we're done with the cheeks, I'm going to be using the same thing for my lips. So I'm just going to be putting some at the bottom part. Then I'm just going to be spreading that again in my fingers. Just like that. Moving on to the brows, and what I'm going to be using today is the Nichido Eyebrow Gel. So this is just clear. So what I'm doing is just brushing my brows. And I don't really like doing anything with my brows because we are achieving for a very natural and just no makeup look. So this will just help our brows stay in place. And this eyebrow gel from Nichido is very affordable. I'm pretty sure it's like less than 100 or just 100 something. Finally done with the brows. As you guys can see, there is a little bit improvement. It looks more put together compared to when I didn't use this eyebrow gel. But right now, we're finally in our last step, which is to curl and apply a little bit of mascara. Just finished curling my lashes, but if you guys are blessed with really thick and long lashes, I feel like applying mascara isn't necessary. But since my eyelashes are not that blessed, I'll be applying a very thin layer of the Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express mascara, and this one is waterproof. So since we're living in the Philippines, we never know when it's gonna be raining, so I think a waterproof mascara is an essential. Quick comparison, this is the one with a thin layer of mascara, this one is without, so there's not that much big difference. But yeah, we're still applying. I'm done with my upper lashes, but I'll also be applying a thin layer at the bottom. part of my lashes. Today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below to be part of our Lexinators fam and to get updated and notified every time I post a video. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. They're both at Lexy Rodriguez with 2 Z's so that you guys would get to be more updated aside from my YouTube videos. If you guys have any other video requests or makeup tutorial that you guys would want me to do, just leave a comment down below in the description. Not in the description, in the comment section, and I'll try my best to make them for you guys. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!